Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Merrill. I hope that you are finding these videos helpful and that you are watching them so you guys can complete your assignments with ease. Today's video, I am going to go through the process that you need to go through in order to find your assignments for Wednesday, March 25th. I know on this video you do see in the announcements section on our course page, Tuesday, March 24th, but once I upload this video in the announcements, there will be a new announcement for Wednesday, March 25th, okay? So hopefully you are at our course page, okay? And really you can be from anybody's course page. Remember, you can get to your calendar not just from my course page, but you can get to your language arts calendar from any course page as long as you're on it and in the calendar, okay? However, just keep in mind that I will continue to put our announcements in our announcement section. I will also have a link to the calendar and I will have a link to our discussions. So if you have any problems or concerns with the assignment for the day, you would just click on the link for our questions and discussions, or you can just email me like we have been doing, okay? All right, so we'll click on the calendar. Okay, and it'll bring us over to this week, March 23rd through March 27th. You can go ahead and click on Wednesday and click on More. Notice that I have Monday through Friday on here, just like we have had through the entire year, okay? Keep that in mind, nothing has changed. So let's look at Wednesday. Now, I will embed this video into our Wednesday slide as well so you can watch it. But this is our slide for Wednesday, March 25th. You have your AKS. Okay. Oops, sorry, I just went to Thursday, back to Wednesday. We have our AKS 4 and 5, and what you will be doing. You will be watching Paul Bunyan to study more folk tales and legends, and you will then click on your appropriate class link. Let me go ahead and click on period 2. If you click on it, it will bring you exactly to the Google Classroom assignment. So you should all by now be clicking on the Google Classroom links from the calendar. They should bring you directly to the assignment for the day. If you're having trouble opening any of these, be sure that you are signed into your student portal. Even click on G Suite Education from your student portal as well. And then that might help, okay? So this is second period's class. Notice that I have the AKS up here again. I have your agenda for today. I have all of your links down here. The first thing that you are going to do is watch the Safari montage video connected to this assignment. This Safari montage video is Paul Bunyan's. Okay, so if you click on it, it will open directly in Safari Montage. So very similar to yesterday when you had to watch the video for Johnny Appleseed, you would just go ahead and play it. You could click this button right here and it will become full screen. Okay, you can leave this window open when you're ready for the Google form and ready to answer the questions. So I'm going to go back to my assignment here. So we've already opened and clicked on the Paul Bunyan link. Now it's time for our assignments, okay? So you have your Google Forms right here. You'll click on this in order to complete the assignment for today. Just like yesterday for Johnny Appleseed, you have a Paul Bunyan Google form today, and you have 5 questions to answer. So this one says Disney's American Legends, Paul Bunyan. You would just scroll down. You have your questions here. Make sure you put in your first name, your last name, click your period as well. You see a picture of Paul Bunyan and his blue ox. You have question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. When you are done with all of these questions, please go ahead and click submit. Okay, so again, I'm going to go back to second period. So I've clicked on Safari Montage. I have that window still open here. I have Google Forms. I have clicked on that. I have that window still open up here. If you are someone who benefits from the read aloud, you can click on my video for Paul Bunyan's read aloud. And I have recorded the actual questions for Paul Bunyan, okay? Yesterday it seemed that some of you were having trouble watching my YouTube videos because I think I had them on a private setting. I have made them public, and you should all be able to view my videos now, okay? So I'm going to click the back button up here to close that. So again, if you are on our course page or anybody's course page, go to your calendar, find Language Arts DLD Week 2 Traditional Literature. Click on that. Open up the slides for this week. You can make them large or you can keep them small, okay? You can toggle through by clicking the arrow button. Go to Wednesday, March 25th. You could even click on the links when it's this small. So if I click on third period, okay, third period, I've clicked on yours. I have the same links here. I have the Safari montage, I have the Disney American Legends Paul Bunyan Google Forms, and my read aloud video. Let me go back. Let me click on fourth period. Fourth period, the same thing, just like everyone else. Your Safari montage video, your American Legends form, and your read aloud if you need it, okay? So please be sure to look at everything here. Please be sure to visit all of the course pages. Please be sure to ask questions. You guys can call me. You can email me. Anything to help you, okay? So make sure you watch this video so you can better understand how to go about the assignments for Wednesday, March 25th. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.